This little box promises to keep your drinks ice cold on a scorching road trip or your soup piping hot during a winter drive. But can this 7-liter portable refrigerator actually deliver on both fronts? Let's find out. First off, the portability is a huge win. It plugs right into your car's cigarette lighter, so no complicated installation needed. This means you can have continuous cooling or heating while you're on the move, which is a game changer for anyone who loves camping, road trips, or even just long commutes. Imagine arriving at your destination with perfectly chilled snacks or a warm meal ready to go. Now, the dual temperature feature is where things get really interesting. It can cool down to below 0 degrees Celsius, which is fantastic for keeping things frozen, and it can also heat up to around 60 degrees Celsius. This is incredibly versatile. Think about needing to keep medication cool in the summer or wanting a hot beverage on a chilly winter morning while you're out exploring. This fridge handles both, making it a true all-season companion. Energy efficiency is another strong point. Most of these portable fridges use around 30 watts, which is pretty low. Plus, many come with a low-voltage protection feature. This is super important because it prevents the fridge from draining your car battery completely, ensuring you can still start your vehicle. It's a thoughtful addition that gives you peace of mind. And what about noise? Nobody wants a loud appliance rattling around in their car. The semiconductor models are whisper quiet, under 25 decibels, which is barely noticeable. Even the compressor models are kept below 45 decibels, so it shouldn't disturb passengers, even if someone is trying to catch some sleep in the back. That's a big plus for long journeys. Overall, this 7-liter portable car refrigerator seems like a really practical and versatile gadget. It offers both cooling and heating, is energy efficient, and designed to be quiet and convenient for life on the go. It's a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade their travel experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.